Time for Nana to get serious.
Stand firm. Hold your breath. Someone dispel the darkness elsewhere. Who else wants to challenge me? There are countless friends.
Let's add this to the Molina Fund.
At ayan, mambabas tayo kasi mananalo na tayo eh. Alam na alam ko nang mananalo tayo. Grabe na yan eh. Puro 3-star na yan. Tapos yung Freya ko, diba may immortality pa. Wala na, panalo mo. Panalo na si Pusa. So, ayun guys. So, nanalo si Pusa. Yay! Ito pala yung mga hero ko guys. And syempre, ayan yung mga kinuha kong cards. Bye!